Hello friends, in the previous video we have solved numericals based on window to viewport transformation. Now in this video we will discuss about projection and parallel projection. So let's start. Projection are defined as mapping of 3D point to a 2D plane. When we want to draw a 3D object on a 2D plane, then projection is required. Projection can be broadly classified in two categories. Number 1, parallel projection, and number 2, perspective projection. In parallel projection, coordinate positions are transformed to the view plane along parallel lines. In parallel projection, the projected lines are parallel to each other, while in perspective projection, object positions are transformed to the view plane along lines that converge or meet to a point which is called projection reference point or center of projection or COP. In parallel projection, the projection lines are meet at infinity. Now let's discuss parallel projection in detail. The parallel projection is formed by extending parallel lines from each vertex on the object until they intersect the plane of the screen. The point of intersection is the projection of vertex. Parallel projection can give the accurate view of object. In the parallel projection, the projection lines are parallel to each other, and by the parallel projection we can display picture in its true shape and the size. But by the parallel projection we cannot form a realistic view of the object. Parallel projections are used by architects and engineers for creating working drawing of the object. In the diagram we can see this is object AB. This is the projection plane. After parallel projection, these are the projection line which are parallel to each other. Projection line are also called projectors. In parallel projection, projectors are parallel to each other, and if the projection place is situated here, then after parallel projection we get the projected line A dash B dash. This line is same of AB and same size. In parallel projection, the center of projection or projection line meet at infinity. Now, the type of parallel projection. Parallel projection can be further classified in two categories. Number 1, orthographic parallel projection, and number 2, oblique parallel projection. In orthographic parallel projection, the projection is perpendicular to the view plane, or the projection lines are perpendicular to the view plane. While in oblique projection, the projection is not perpendicular to the view plane. Second type of parallel projection is orthographic projection. In orthographic projection, the projection is perpendicular to the view plane. Orthographic parallel projection can again classified into two categories. Number one, multi-view orthographic parallel projection and axonometric orthographic parallel projection. In multi-view projection, there are different views like front, side, and rear. Orthographic projection of an object are called elevations, and the top orthographic projection is called plane view. In the diagram, we can see the different views of the object. After extending the projectors or projection line, we get the front view like this, side view like this, and the top view like this. All have projection plane perpendicular to a principal axis. Now, second type orthographic projection is axonometric. Orthographic projection that represent more than one face of an object are called axonometric. Axonometric is again three types. First, isometric, second, dimetric, and third, trimetric. In isometric projection, all projectors or projection line make equal angle, generally 30-degree angle. In dimetric projection, two projectors or projection line have equal angle with respect to two principal axes. In trimetric, the direction of projection make equal angle with their principal axis. Now, oblique projection. In oblique projection, the projection is not perpendicular to the view plane. It can be further classified in two categories, cavalier and Cabinet. In cavalier projection, all lines perpendicular to the projection plane are projected with no change in length. Here in the diagram we can see the line object length is same 1, and after projection again the length is 1. So this is called cavalier projection, where length no change. While in cavalier projection or Cabinet projection, lines which are perpendicular to the projection plane or wing surface are projected at just half the length, and Cabinet projection provide more realistic view. Here we can see the length before projection is 1, but after cavalier projection the length is 1/2, 1/2, and 1/2. So this is more realistic view. So this is all over the video. Thank you.